Hello everyone, we are the students of RMD Engineering College. We done project on amplitude modulation using MATLAB in the subject of communication theory. We are subjecting this project to the faculty staff of communication theory. This project is done by Rohit, Rahul and Lokesh. At first, we are discussing about what is modulation. Operation of varying amplitude, frequency, or phase of carrier signal accordingly with the instantaneous amplitude of the message signal is called modulation. Modulation is equal to adding information to a carrier signal. Then we will discuss about need of modulation. Increase the signal strength, wireless communication system, size of the antenna, and also the types of modulation. These are divided into two types: continuous modulation, pulse digital modulation. In this continuous modulation, subtype is amplitude modulation. From here onwards, Rahul will take over the session.
Now let's talk about the amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is the technique commonly used for transmission of information via carrier wave. This is the earliest modulation used in radio. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of a carrier wave is varied in proportional to the message signal. Now let's see the mathematical expression of AM. Vm of t is equal to Vm sin omega mt. This is the modulating signal. And Vc of t is equal to Vc sin omega ct. This is the carrier signal equation. Here Vm is the amplitude of modulating signal, Vc is the amplitude of carrier signal, Vm is the angular frequency of modulating signal, omega c is the angular frequency of carrier signal. The amplitude of carrier signal is changed after the modulation. Vam is equal to Vc plus Vm of t. And now by substituting equation 1 in equation 3, Vam is equal to Vc plus Vm sin omega mt. Now by taking Vc as common, we get Vc into 1 plus Vm by Vc into sin omega mt. Now the Vm by Vc is termed as modulation index, that is Ma. Now we will get Vam equal to Vc into 1 plus Ma sin omega mt, where Ma is the modulation index. Hence, the Am wave is given by Vam of t is equal to Vam sin omega ct. Vam is equal to Vc into 1 plus Ma sin omega mt into sin omega ct. Now the session will be taken over by Nagalokesh.
Now we are going to discuss about advantages of amplitude modulation, disadvantages of amplitude modulation, what is MATLAB, instructions in MATLAB, advantages of amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is easier to implement. The receiver used for AM is very cheap. Disadvantages of amplitude modulation. When it comes to power usage, it is not efficient. It requires a very high bandwidth that is equivalent to that of the highest audio frequency. It is the output of amplitude modulation. What is MATLAB? MATLAB is a high frequency language for technical computing. It integrates computing, visualization, and programming in an easy to use environment where problems and solutions are expressed in familiar mathematical notation. Typical use include math and computation, algorithm development, instructions in MATLAB, general purpose commands, input or output and formatting commands, vector, matrix and array commands, plotting commands. Now this session will continue by my teammate Veeramalli Rahul.
Here is the program for amplitude modulation in MATLAB. Here we take a modulation index as 1 and When we plot modulating signal, this is the output, and when we plot the carrier signal, this is the output. And now by merging these two signals, we get an amplitude modulating signal. This is the output.
Thank you, everyone.